it's me Adrija and you are watching Simple Yet Gorgeous. Welcome back to this brand new episode, and it's all about a road trip to a cold storage. Actually, my uncle has a cold storage in Bandar, so it's where we are going for a one-day trip. So come, without further ado, let's quickly dive into the video and enjoy the journey together. Here's we heading towards our destination. And here's we reached our destination and we are all super excited because this is my personally first time visiting a village and staying in it. Like ऐसा पहले भी हुआ है कि हम लोग कोई विलेज एरिया में गए हैं बट घूम फिर के आ गए, बट staying in here is my first time experience and I'm very excited. Just see the big buildings over there. What you can see is the main cold storage. It's so beautiful, the nature all around, this mud roads, and all together is such a calming and pleasing atmosphere. I'm just in love. मतलब बचपन से ही मुझे विलेज में कभी रहना था and I'm super duper excited for this experience to enjoy. And here comes the hero of the trip. As देखो हम लोग मतलब ये अभी cold storage के अंदर घुस गए. The huge buildings wherein we got inside. So now here these are the sacks जहाँ सारा ना potatoes या veggies को store किया जाता है mainly. सारा potatoes को पहले तो ये लोग segregate करते हैं, फिर separately store करते हैं. जैसे कि there are some potatoes which are to be used immediately and there are other potatoes जिसको हम लोग कुछ लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए स्टोर कर सकते हैं, बाद में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. लाइक पोटैटो तो सीजनल वेजिटेबल है ना, बट उसको हम लोग एंटायर ईयर कैसे एंजॉय करते हैं. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोल्ड स्टोरेजेस एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कि some are smaller size potatoes, some are the bigger size ones, and this is how they are all segregated and stored separately. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. मतलब यहाँ पे ना सारा frozen fruits, vegetables, flowers, sweets ये सब एकदम फ्रीज करके रखा जाता है. तो you can just imagine कितना ठंडा हो सकता है. हम लोग तो वैसा कुछ क्लोथिंग भी नहीं लाए. My goodness, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. But it's a beautiful experience. Seriously, it's like a lifetime experience you can say. But बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पे. एंड यहाँ ना सिंस सारा लोडिंग अनलोडिंग का काम दिन में ही होता है, सो यू ना नीड टू कैरी टॉर्चेस बिकॉज इट्स टू डार्क. These na basically are huge rented refrigerators where various vendors and dealers store their stocks to prevent them from decaying. Just see, this is my personal favorite place. इतना बड़ा टेरेस, like can you imagine? हम लोग तो अपने टाउन्स एंड सिटीज में प्लेग्राउंड तक नहीं मिलता इतना बड़ा बड़ा. My God. And वहाँ पे देखो वो जो है ना, these are like the ponds where fishing is done. Mainly they practice pisciculture over here. And there you have the furnaces, then the roadside highway, this ones. Actually, this is one of my uncle's plot, so that's how we can enjoy this beautiful experience. Like it's so beautiful, the things are done over here, how beautifully they are managed. It's lovely what we enjoy every day. Like हमें पता भी नहीं चलता कि there are so many stages behind it. The farmers are doing the farming, then they are sending to the vendors, or some farmers directly send to the cold storage. Then the farmers or the dealers are storing the things here. Like specifically the potato which is stored here in this cold storage, वो तो सारा the whole year around we enjoy it, but ऐसा तो नहीं कि entire year we can grow potato. So it's so beautifully organized, the things are like कुछ potatoes को like it's on the basis of ABC analysis, you know, in business we study ABC model. So कुछ ऐसा potatoes है like जिसको immediately अभी use करना है, कुछ है जो हम लोग थोड़े टाइम के बाद use कर सकते हैं, and there are again some which we can use up means after a long time. So accordingly they are segregated and all so well organized. What we enjoy every day comes through so much of hard work of so many middlemen. It's like lovely, such an amazing experience. This is my lifetime favorite, one of my favorite experiences. I can just bet on it.
হ্যালো
মিঠাই হাই করে দাও। Actually very sorry, we are now returning back and I couldn't capture all of the footage because इतना beautiful था ना सब कुछ, and all cousins and family members together, time flies so fast, कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता. We all sat together, we were just involved in eating, dancing and so much of enjoyment. My God, मैंने इतना थक गई थी and finally I just went for a nap. So sorry, उसमें इतना डार्क हो गया, like शाम हो गया था ना, and it was time for us to depart. That's like I'm sorry for थोड़ा वो clipages अभी तो missing है, but it was such a lovely experience. Main all the things are captured over here, like what we experienced is captured. It is what I couldn't capture is only the fun time, the family time going on, but it's really a lovely experience. And yeah, even you can get various hotels, so even if you want to visit a peaceful place and escape from the hustle bustle of the daily life, you can definitely check it out, you know. Okay, so with this today I come to an end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Until then, bye-bye, take care and see you soon. Please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and Instagram channels, and our handles are provided right over here.